So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand DVD CD-ROM drives. And now you're going to find your CD-ROM or your DVD drive. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If they're still not working, then we're going to close out of this. You want to right click on your DVD drive and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. And now after you uninstall that, you want to click on action and then scan for hardware changes. It's now going to appear again. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now we're going to expand current control set. And now we're going to expand control. And now we're going to expand class. You want to find a folder that starts with 4D36E965. I'm going to click on it. And you can now see all of it up here. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're in the folder that starts with 4D36E965-E325. There's going to be two files in here, lower filters and upper filters. We're going to delete both of them. So you're going to right click on lower filters and then click on delete and then click on yes. Now we're going to find upper filters. You're going to right click on it and then click on delete again and then click on yes. And then once you delete both of those, just restart your computer and then this should now fix your problem.